Our story research indicates this vehicle as being well equipped with popular features. Features also include steering wheel controls, hands-free power liftgate, MP3, blind spot monitor, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Make a great choice today with the 2017 Sorento. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, keyless start, security system, MP3 player, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.